Meaning of jelly roll.
Jelly roll.
Jelly roll.
Jelly roll.
Jelly roll. Jelly roll can have a few different meanings depending on the context. In cooking/baking, a jelly roll is a type of dessert made by spreading jam or jelly onto a thin, flat cake and then rolling it up into a spiral shape. In music, jelly roll can refer to a style of jazz piano playing that originated in New Orleans in the early 20th century, or it can be used as a nickname for the jazz pianist and composer Ferdinand Joseph Lamotte, better known as Jelly Roll Morton. Outside of these specific contexts, jelly roll could potentially be used as a slang term or euphemism for something else entirely, but without further context it's impossible to say for sure.